There was a small village named Lakapuram. In that village, in the garden of landlord Rathinam, a person named Suyambulingam had been working in agriculture since his early childhood with the wages provided by the landlord. Him and his wife Ishwari, along with his kids, lived in a small hut built for him at the landlord's farm. After finishing his work in the fields as usual, Suyambulingam went to landlord Rathinam's house to inform him and leave. There, landlord Rathinam was sitting in the courtyard. Upon seeing Suyambulingam, he asked with authority, "Hey, have you completed all the work in the garden properly today?" He respectfully said, "I have completed all the tasks that you have asked." Then Rathinam said to him, "I have decided to plant 100 coconut saplings in the garden. Therefore, starting tomorrow, along with the agricultural work, also carry out the tasks of digging the pits required for planting the coconut saplings. Now, leave for home." "Okay, Lord," he said, took his leave, and went to his hut. The next morning, as usual, he got up, went to the garden, completed the agricultural work, and then began digging the pits to plant the coconut saplings. As he continued digging the pits one after another, he heard a sound, dong, dong. Immediately, Suyambulingam was filled with wonder and thought, "It seems like there is some treasure here." He then dug deeper at the same spot and found a small metal box. He immediately took it out. Then, secretly and without anyone knowing, he took the box and went to his house. He showed it to his wife Ishwari and then opened the box. Upon seeing what was inside, Suyambulingam was astonished. Inside the small box were gold coins. Seeing this, Suyambulingam, with a greedy desire to keep all the coins to himself without anyone knowing, handed the box to his wife and told her to hide it. Then, after finishing his work in the garden as usual, he went to see landlord Rathinam. As usual, Rathinam asked, "Come on, did you dig the pits in the garden as I instructed?" In response, Lingam said, "Considering that he has gold coins with him, instead of speaking as usual, you are speaking with a rather disrespectful tone than a respectful one. My name is Suyambu. From now on, please call me by my name respectfully," he said. Landlord Rathinam, saying, "All right Suyambu," spoke respectfully and then asked him to leave for his home. The next day, when Suyambulingam woke up and got ready for work, he opened the box, looked at the gold coins, and then, with pride, went to the garden to do agricultural work. After finishing his work, when Suyambulingam went to landlord's house, landlord Rathinam asked, "What's up, Suyambu? Did you complete all the work well?" To this, Lingam immediately, with the pride of having gold coins with him, said, "My full name is Suyambulingam. Therefore, please call me by my full name respectfully." Let's see in the next part about the respectful manner in which the landlord treated Suyambulingam with composure, and also about the secret of the treasure.